Good afternoon, Southside. Welcome to another edition of Hawk TV. I'm Mark Stenbeck.
And I'm Shadera Montgomery. On this episode, we will meet with the class of 2021, tell you about the new Hawk TV segment called Kelly's Kitchen, and recap of homecoming dress-up days.
Don't go anywhere because Hawk TV starts now.
You're watching the world's greatest show, Hawk TV.
Welcome back. Marvis, are you planning on getting a class ring?
I might.
Marvis and I caught up with a few students to ask if they were getting a ring and why. Wednesday at 10 o'clock, the class of 2021 had a meeting pertaining to class rings. Marvis and I caught up with some students to see if they were getting a class ring and why. I'm here with
Angel.
Are you planning on getting a class ring?
Yes,
Why?
because it's something memorable to keep.
I'm here with
Kayla.
Are you planning on getting a class ring
I am.
and why?
I want something to remind me of my high school years.
Not just girls are able to get a ring. They have rings for males too. I caught up with two football players to see if they are planning on getting a class ring. Because the rings are not just with Southside graduating class numbers, but also with athletes' numbers. I'm here with
Keyshawn Wood.
Are you planning on getting a class ring?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause if I get a class ring, it's like gonna be with me for the rest of my life, and I want to remember my class, what we did, and what I did during high school.
I'm here with
William?
Are you gonna get a ring?
Yeah, I am.
Why?
Because I gotta represent the Hawks everywhere I go for as long as I can.
Hopefully we'll represent our class of 2021 well. For Hawk TV, I'm Mark Stenbeck.
And I'm Shadera Montgomery.
Welcome back. This semester we have a new segment produced on Hawk TV called Kelly's Kitchen.
On her first episode, Kelly baked the best fudgy brownies. Visit our YouTube page to see more.
Monday afternoon, students were sent to the auditorium for a meeting with Randy Boyd, the current president at the University of Tennessee at Knoxville.
The 60 students in attendance learned about the importance of the Tennessee Promise and opportunities of the University of Tennessee.
Shadera, what have you learned about high school since your freshman year?
Freshman year is very important because it's the foundation for your GPA.
Hawk TV reporter Harold Ingram visited with members of the class of 2020 to find out what they learned since freshman year.
The class of 2020 has big memories and more to take away from the freshman year. I caught up with a number of seniors.
One of my takeaways is that your friends get took away and you lose friends. You start off at like 30, and by your senior year, you have about 0. So, yeah, that's what happened there.
The seniors have learned missing days can have a big impact on your grades.
Don't miss no days, because, you know, them exams ain't nothing to play with. So Miss Parker already trying to give us a 100-question exam, so no, just don't miss no days. That's it.
No matter how active they are, on campus, every senior wants to be remembered.
I think I left a mark of just showing that you can grow and get better at everything and become a better person overall.
What are you wearing to the game?
Well, if it's not raining, I might wear a t-shirt, some jogging pants, and a Balenciagas.
Balenciagas.
Hawk TV weather forecaster Evelyn has more about the weather.
Hello, Southside. I'm Evelyn Gutierrez with your Hawk TV weather report. Our summer is coming to an end, and we've previously had a few days with very little rain and a high percentage of humidity. Let's just say the humidity isn't treating my hair right. On Monday, September 23rd, fall solstice, known as the autumnal equinox, or literally translated as equal night, it is the day the sun passes directly over the equator. This means you will get 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness. So, no more late night sunsets, sadly. On another note, historians actually believe that ancient monuments, such as the stone hedges, were used to mark the changing of seasons. Let's take a glance at what else is going on. There are currently 3 active hurricanes in the Atlantic right now, but there is a specific one that is making headlines. Tropical Storm Karen will bring heavy rain and tough winds to Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. It's too early to know if Karen will impact the mainland United States or any other land areas. We might want to keep an eye on it though. Now let's take a look at what's going on back at home. Today is expected to be mostly sunny with a high of 93 and a low of 68. Saturday is going to be partly cloudy with a high of 91 and a low of 69. If you like cooler temperatures, the cloud cover is for you. Sunday is also expected to be partly cloudy, a high of 93 and a low of 68. When we return to school, you should expect mostly sunny days with temperatures in the 90s. Enjoy these last few days with warm temperatures while you can. Let's recap at what the weekend will consist of. Our weekend will be partly cloudy but with some humidity. If you don't like humidity, I suggest you don't stay outside for long. For your Hawk TV weather report, I'm Evan Gutierrez.
It's homecoming week. Hawk TV reporter Autumn Williams and Libby Cole has more on this week events.
This week at Southside was homecoming week. Students all across campus participated in dressing up for it. Monday was America Day. Dress up in your red, white, and blue and represent the USA. Tuesday was Tie-Dye Tuesday. Come to school with your tie-dye shirts. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. Students and staff participated and dressed up with their finest pink. And for Thursday, we threw it back. 80s, 90s, and even 2000s.
Morgan, concentrate.
Mr. Hammond, you need to chill and have a Twix.
A Twix? How will that help?
Well, I guess I'll try if you think it'll help. I'll tell you what, if you let me have another, I'll give you a break.
Twix, Dirty Crunch.
Our Hawks football team will face Union City for homecoming. Hawk TV reporter Matthew Berry is here with the preview.
This is Matthew Berry with Hawk TV, and I'm with
Timothy Douglas.
Timothy. How does it feel being switched from tight end to quarterback?
It was a tough change, but I had to step up and play the quarterback for the team because both our quarterbacks went down with injury, so I had to do what it takes to win.
How does your responsibility change with your position being changed?
Nothing really. I'm a captain on the team, so I got to do what I got to do.
Are you ready for the upcoming game this Friday?
For sure. Got to come out with a win.
How does it feel for this to be your last homecoming?
It's sad, but, got to live up to the hype. Got to live up in this last one. Got to go out with a bang.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Well, that's all for this episode of Hawk TV. I'm Shadera Montgomery.
And I'm Maurice Stanback, class of 2021.
TV weather, I'm her Ingram. I messed up.
And here it is.
Score!
It's Thursday.
Ah!
It's Thursday.
Shoot, gotta redo that. That part.
You on your phone during class?
Wait, we started?
It sounds funny, don't it? We will be back. We will be back.
We'll be back.
We will. I'm just gonna say we will.
Jumping up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Did we mess up at all?
No, just the last part.
Oh, okay.
Thursday, so you have time to do it again.
This sucks. Okay, let me try one more time.
I start that. Mom.
Stop.
Is it recording?
Oh, my name, baby.
Hawk TV. I'm Autumn Williams. Okay, do that again.
Welcome to. Okay.
You want me to stop it?
No. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Class 2021 show, hosted by Shadera Montgomery
And Marvin Stanley.